today's video we will see whether a number is an Armstrong number or not. So what is an Armstrong number? A number is called an Armstrong number when sum of nth power of its digit is equal to the given number. For example, a 377 has a total number of 3 digits, right? So what we will do, we will multiply each digit 3 times by itself and then add up all of them. So we are multiplying 3 times, 7 3 times, and 1 3 times, right? And we are getting the 371 as the result of it, result of this computation. So as these two numbers are equal, so 371 is an Armstrong number. So now let's write the code in Python to check whether a number is an Armstrong number or not. So let's I will first take the input from the user, enter any number, then we will have to find the length of that number, right? So to find the length of the number, what I will do, I will use the len function, and len function is always used as strings, right? So we will convert our integer to string here and find the length of means find the number of digits. Let's say this is the number of digits. Okay, it will look sound fine actually. Number of digits in that particular number. Then we will initialize a sum variable, say sum equals to 0, and then our main logic for Armstrong number. So what I will do, I will create a temporary variable called temp and initialize num to it. After that, I will write a while loop up to when the temp will be greater than 0. Okay. Up to temp greater than 0, we will run the while loop. After that, I will extract each last digit from the temp variable, means from the number. For example, if we have 371 as our input number, then I will extract first, I will extract 1, then I will extract 7, then I will extract 3 from here. Okay, so for this kind of extraction, we are writing this line of code. This will basically extract the last digit. Then we will add digit to the power number of digits. So we have to basically multiply that digit n times, right? Or the number of digit times. So we are multiplying this, and then we are removing the last digit from our temp variable so that it is reducing in its size. So first the temp for the 371 will become 37 because 1 will get eliminated, then it will become 3, and then it will become 0, and when it will become 0, then the while loop will terminate. So after we got the sum, what we will do, we will check whether that sum is equals to the num or not. If it is equal to the num, then we will print that this is an Armstrong number format. Else I will print it is not an Armstrong number. Not an Armstrong number. Now let's run it in our terminal. So let's input 371. So 371 is an Armstrong number. Correctly it is providing the results, and let's check for another random number, say 372. It is not our Armstrong number. Okay, so let's check it. so it is showing that it is not an Armstrong number. So that was for our video, guys. If you have liked the video, then please like and subscribe to this channel for this kind of contents more. Thank you.